ICSE Mathematics Class 9 Chapter 2 Exercise 2.3. Question 13. Mr. Durrani bought a plot of land for rupees 1,80,000 and a car for rupees 3,20,000 at the same time. The value of plot of a land grows uniformly at the rate of 30% per annum, while the value of car depreciates 20% in the first year and by 15% per annum thereafter. If he sells the plot of land as well as the car after 3 years, what will be his profit or loss? Answer 13. Presently value of the plot of land V0 is equal to 1,80,000. Presently value of the car V01 equal to rupees 3,20,000. Growth rate of plot R% is equal to 30% per annum. Depreciation of car 20% in first year, depreciation of car 15% in second year, depreciation of car 15% in third year. Let the value of plot after 3 years equal to V and value of the car after 3 years equal to V1. The value of plot after 3 years equal to V equal to V0 into 1 plus R by 100 to the power 3 equal to 1,80,000 into 1 plus 30 by 100 to the power 3, 1,80,000 into 1 plus 3 by 10 to the power 3 equal to 1,80,000 into 13 by 10 into 13 by 10 into 13 by 10 equal to rupees 3,95,460. The value of car after 3 years equal to V0 into 1 minus 20 by 100 into 1 minus 15 by 100 into 1 minus 15 by 100. 3,20,000 into 1 minus 2 by 10 into 1 minus 3 by 20 into 1 minus 3 by 20. 3,20,000 into 8 by 10 into 17 by 20 into 17 by 20 equal to 640 into 289 equal to 1,84,960. Value of plot and car at the time of selling equal to 3,95,460 and rupees 1,84,960 equal to 5,80,420. Value of plot and car starting equal to rupees 1,80,000 plus rupees 3,20,000 equal to rupees 5 lakh. Profit at the time of selling equal to 5,80,420 minus 5 lakh is equal to rupees 80,420. That is the profit after 3 years of Mr. Durrani. That's all.